Our video,
and today we're going to be trying all of the new Lay's flavors.
So first we're gonna start with these.
The first ones we're going to do are, these are the kettle cooked wasabi ginger. And there's like pieces all over.
There's no way.
They smell like just straight up ginger. Okay, I'm gonna get one. Try it. It's sweet, and then it burns your throat, and then it's sweet. No. Those are thumbs down. No, I don't like those.
It's actually kind of hot.
That's what wasabi is. Okay, the next ones we're going to do are cappuccino flavored. And I don't think these are going to taste good.
These really look stuffy on the back.
It smells like...
Oh, it smells like cinnamon.
Yeah, cinnamon, but it's like strong. Ew, it tastes like black coffee. I don't like it.
Next is
Did you like it?
macaroni bacon.
Bacon, cheese, and macaroni. And cheddar, bacon, cheese, and mac and cheese. I don't know how to talk.
I can't wait for this one.
Ew. Oh, ew. Those smell like rotten egg jelly bellies.
Oh my god.
Ew. All you can taste is cheese. Those are good, but so far those are the best ones.
Thumbs up.
Which ones are your favorite ones so far? Those ones? And the last ones are mango salad. This doesn't sound appetizing at all.
Okay, I need to wait for that.
Ugh.
Ugh.
They smell too sweet. Ugh. I keep getting the big chips.
They're well sweet, but they're good.
They taste like perfume. No. Okay, so we're gonna tell you which ones are the best and which ones are the worst.
Me first.
Okay. Burning my throat.
Which one was my favorite? Where's mine?
What's your favorite out of all of these flavors? Will's flavor was the cheddar, bacon, mac and cheese. I think my favorite was the same one because the rest of them were just either too sweet or just not meant to be chips. Like those? Okay, well, give us a like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next week. Bye!